Hello and welcome back, everybody. If you want to enable a keep the map north up option on your Waze and you are looking out how to do so today, we are going to guide you through the solution for that. So let's just dive right in and get started. Open up the Waze application for that. And then once you access your Waze application, this should be the particular interface you should be finding once you are logged into your account, where you can select the vehicle type and enter up your destination where you would like to go. Now from here, what you need to do is look out for the settings, the gear icon. For that, look out for the menu icon in the top left and select it and open up your menu. And once you open up the menu, go to the settings option and tap on it. After you tap on settings, what you may do is you can just go over and directly look out for the option for keeping the map north up. You can find that option within the map display. So right below general, you can find option called map display. Tap on it. And after you tap on it, you can just go over and select this option up keep map north up. So enable this option right here, tap on it in order to turn it on, and that should probably turn on the north up option on your Waze. You can follow up this method and that should do it. Or you can just go over and look out for the small compass icon once you have booked a ride using this application right there, and it will lock the map with the north pointing up, and you can follow this process. You can also force or restart the application to make the changes, and that is it. So this feature should probably go ahead and lock the map's orientation with north at the top, and that is it, everybody. The setting is not available for CarPlay or Android Auto, as it is a limitation of those platforms. So follow up the steps for that. Make sure to give this video a like and also subscribe for more tips and tutorials.